Imagine a universe so vast that your mind can barely hold it. Billions of galaxies, trillions of stars, countless planets, just like ours. Somewhere out there, life should exist. Not just simple life, but intelligent life. Civilizations, voices, signals, and yet nothing. No ships in our skies, no whispers from the stars, no messages breaking through the silence. We look, and we see only darkness staring back. This is the Fermi paradox, a simple, unsettling question. If the universe is full of life, where is everyone? Because statistically, we shouldn't be alone, not even close. The universe is old, ancient beyond comprehension. Civilizations could have risen millions of years before us. They could have mastered technology we can't even imagine. So where are they? Why hasn't anyone visited us? Why hasn't anyone left a trace? Why does the cosmos feel so empty? We send signals into the void, hoping for an answer, but the void remains silent, and that silence might be the most terrifying answer of all. But what if there is an answer? A disturbing one that explains everything. It's called the dark forest hypothesis. Imagine this. The universe isn't empty. It's silent. Every civilization but hides, not because they want to, but because they have to. In this scenario, space is like a dark forest at night. You can't see who's out there. You can't know their intentions. All you know is this: if something finds you, you might not get a second chance. So what do? You stay quiet. You erase your traces. You survive. Because any signal, any attempt to reach out, is like lighting a fire in the darkness. It tells everyone exactly where you are. And out there could be something older than you. Faster, smarter, more dangerous, not evil, just cautious. In a universe where survival is everything, the safest move is simple. Destroy anything that could become a threat before it destroys you. No warnings, no negotiations, no second thoughts. Which means the reason we don't hear anything is not because no one is there, but because everyone else has already learned to stay silent, and we haven't yet. But maybe the solution to the Fermi paradox lies in something else. What if the answer isn't fear, and it isn't silence? What if the universe is simply too big, so vast, that even if life is everywhere, it might as well be nowhere? Galaxies stretch across unimaginable distances. Stars are separated by light years, trillions of kilometers of empty, cold space. Even at the speed of light, the fastest thing that can exist, it would take years, decades, centuries, just to reach the nearest stars. And we haven't even come close to that. Maybe civilizations are out there, millions of them, billions, but they are scattered, like grains of sand across an endless ocean, too far to see each other, too far to ever meet. But distance might not be the only barrier. Time civilizations rise and they fall. Some may have existed millions of years before us, long gone, turned to dust before Earth even formed. Others, we might not be born yet. Right now, at this exact moment when we could be alone, not because life is rare, but because we are out of sync. Imagine two civilizations, separated not by space, but by time. One sends a signal into the void, a desperate attempt to say, "We are here," but by the time that signal arrives, the other is already gone, extinct, silent, forgotten, and the message continues traveling through empty space, with no one left to hear it. So maybe the universe isn't quiet. Maybe it's full of voices, echoing across time and space. We just never overlap, never at the same moment, never in the same place, and that is why the sky feels empty.